Hey crafty friends, we're gonna make a cute little spring window decor out of paint sticks. So I'm showing you on a smaller version how to do that, but this one was pre-done and then we had chicken wire stapled to the back of it. I painted it in Rethunk Junk's peacock feather, and now I'm going to use a stencil on a cute little piece of wood with some Sharpie markers and just write hello spring on it. I'm going to use a different way than the stencil was intended for. I'm not even going to paint that little sign, just the cute little magenta Sharpie. And we're going to hot glue that right into place. Then in the other corner, we're going to do a little bit of florals. I am by no means a wreath maker, not even good at florals. But I'm taking a couple bunches and just kind of cutting out what I want, tying it together with some twine, and then attaching it to the bottom corner of that. So this would be a really cute mantelpiece to lean or put hooks on the back and make a door hanger out of it. So scrap wood or paint sticks are perfect for this. Happy crafting!